This video will review how to change Cycle Manager Plus settings. After logging in, click on the Settings menu button in the lower right corner. The time format can be set to 12 hours, the default, or a 24-hour clock. Enabling Station Advanced Edit reveals additional parameters for ET-related station setup. Note this feature is a database-only feature and will not affect ET setup. The Legacy Cycle Manager should be used for ET-related settings at this time. You can also choose the default language. Here we click Spanish. To exit the settings window, press the X button at the top. You can now see the user interface has changed to Spanish. This concludes our video on Cycle Manager Plus settings.